Hello and welcome back to my podcast. I am Jermaine Arthur, and this is the third in a five-part series of podcasts. Before we go any further, let us do a quick recap of the last session. In that session, we were introduced to the concept of the Universal Design for Learning, or UDL. According to Dr. Joseph Latham, UDL is an inclusive teaching methodology that offers educators a set of strategies and tools for engaging every student. Additionally, UDL brings learning equity to a diverse classroom by acknowledging and accommodating each learner's individual needs and strengths. UDL is built on three pillars. They are multiple means of representation, multiple means of expression, multiple means of engagement. Multiple means of representation offers learners a different format. So instead of using textbooks, why not introduce your students to audio and video and hands-on learning? These give all learners a chance to access the material in whichever way is best suited to their learning strengths. Multiple means of action and expression suggests giving learners more than one way to interact with the material and show what they have learned. For example, some learners might want to do a written test. Others might want to write a poem or do some sort of oral presentation, or others may choose to do a group project. Then there is multiple means of engagement. UDL encourages teachers to look for multiple ways to motivate students, letting learners make choices and giving them assignments that feel relevant to their lives are some of the examples of how teachers can sustain students' interest. So let's look at the term inclusion again. What is inclusion? It is a way of thinking and acting that demonstrates universal acceptance of and belonging for all children and students. So therefore, you cannot adopt the attitude that all students are equal, but some students are more equal than others. No, not in an inclusive classroom. So who should be included in these classrooms? Those with learning disabilities, those with physical disabilities, those from varied socioeconomic status, those from different ethnic backgrounds. All means all. So what role does technology play in an inclusive, diverse classroom? The role of technology is huge. Therefore, educators must first determine the accessibility of the tools they wish to implement. These tools, are they simple to use? Are they user-friendly? Would they add to students' frustration? These are the things that must be considered before selecting a technological tool. Will the devices cause physical discomfort? Will they cause a strain on the eyes? Or will it cause back pain or shoulder pains? Are they expensive? These are some of the factors that you must consider before selecting your tool. So today we are going to look at some simple and free devices of inclusion. Okay, so we would first look at the Microsoft speech-to-text, text-to-speech, add-ons for Chrome and Firefox, and closed caption features. So this is a screenshot of a Microsoft Word page, and if you look at where the arrow is pointing to a little icon there, that is the icon that is used to activate the text-to-speech feature in Microsoft Word. So let's pretend that there is text on this page. You highlight it and you click on that icon, and it reads the information to you, for you. So speech-to-text software can assist learners with reading difficulties. Those with dyslexia can also benefit from its use. Learners for whom English is a foreign language can also benefit from this feature. They can learn the proper pronunciation of words by listening to how it sounds. So, closed caption. This is very effective for learners who are hearing impaired, those who retain more by reading, and those who experience difficulty understanding foreign accents. If you are showing a YouTube video, the closed captions symbol is usually at the bottom of the video, and you click on it, and as the person narrates in the video, the words would appear at the bottom of the screen. Also, as teachers, as lecturers, when you are producing your videos for use in the classroom, you should also activate that feature. If you're using Screencast-O-Matic, like I am doing to produce this podcast, when you're doing the editing, you turn on the closed caption feature. Please bear in mind that when you are recording, you speak slowly, because sometimes the computer doesn't recognize our accents and so on, and it might interpret a word that you did not say. Okay, so you need to be very careful there. So, thank you very much. Next week, we'll go a little deeper with some of our learning devices. So, thank you very much. See you next time. Bye for now.